Hello everyone, for today's video I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to replace your T12 fluorescent tube with magnetic ballast with a new LED tube, and you're going to do that without rewiring or anything. All you have to do is remove that and replace it with a new bulb. To accomplish that, what you need is to get something like this. This is a Philips universal fit, and you can see right now this is a plug and play. It will work with both T8 and T12 replacement. Will work with the current ballast that you have. And I purchased this from Home Depot for $19 for two. So that's basically about $10 for each tube. Right now you can purchase a T12 replacement for $12 or $13 for a pack of two. So this is basically about 75 to 80% more expensive than the regular T12 replacement. Okay, so let me go ahead and replace my current bulb and show you that it works. Okay, so I just have to remove this one, as well as this one right here. See if I can do it without. You can see right now this is the new replacement bulb. This is the old one. This is actually a lot thinner than the T12 bulb. Okay, but that should still work because the connectors are the same. Okay, so I have a label right here, so I'm gonna want to put this to the top so it's not covering the lights. So to do that, I'll just put one end and install the other end, and then I want to turn it so that the Philips logo is actually facing down. Okay, so that tells you that you actually have a good connection. And I'll do it on the other side as well. So slide up, and turn it. And that's done. So let me go ahead and turn on the light. There you go. And I hope that you found this video helpful. Please make sure to help my channel by clicking the like and the subscribe button. And thank you for watching.